Namaste everyone, welcome back again to a new video. It's me Ranjan Dhakal from Distance Learning Center of West Montessori Elementary School. Today I have taken a chapter from year 5 and from chemistry part of science. Okay, now moving on to this chapter. Here we will learn what the chemical symbols are and what are the molecular formulas of some basic chemical compounds. Today let me start with the chemical symbols. Before starting onto the symbols, now we first have to know the very simpler substance that are known as chemical elements. Simply they are also known as elements, and they are the substances that cannot be broken down into other simple substances by simple chemical processes. Now every matter, they are made up of elements, what we call carbohydrate present in our body. Now it is a compound that consists of elements of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. That means they are the basis for all the life and non-life chemical substances in the world. On moving till now, there are 118 chemical elements known, and this is the data of 2019. Now, and 20% of those 100 are around assumed data. 100 among 118 elements, about 20% they do not exist in nature, because some of them are found in trace amount. That means only a very few little amount, and some of them are chemically synthesized in the laboratory. And these elements, when they combine with each other, then they form of complex substances, and those complex substances, they are called compounds. Our life, all the substances around us, they are all the chemical compounds. Organic materials, inorganic materials, they all are the chemical compounds. Now there are perhaps more than million chemical compounds known, and it's being discovering every day by different scientists. New compounds have been discovering every day. Now moving on to some basic compounds. Now here are some of the basic compounds that are nitrogen, chlorine, hydrogen, calcium, gold, magnesium, sodium, sulfur, boron, carbon, potassium, neon, oxygen, silver, aluminum, silicon, copper, helium. There are many more. Among 118, I have listed here some very common elements that is found around us. And these elements, they exist in the state of solid, liquids, and gases. Okay. Gold exists in solid, nitrogen is a gas, and there are many. Mercury is a semi-liquid in normal conditions, that means in normal temperature and pressures. Now in this photo, in this data, there is a symbol. Now what these symbols are, for example, let me see. Nitrogen, capital N stands for nitrogen, Cl for chlorine, H for hydrogen. These are the chemical symbols of chemical elements. Simply we can say symbols of the elements. Now what are symbols? Now actually they are the short form, they are the abbreviated form. For example, here S represents for sulfur, and for silicon it is Si, because the first letter we generally use for writing a chemical symbols, and since it cannot be repeated, if we use only S for silicon and sulfur, we will be in confusion which S is for sulfur and which S is for silicon. That's why S for sulfur and Si for silicon, first two letters, on the basis of the starting of the letter of the name of element. And some of the elements, they have symbols according to their Latin name. For example, the Latin name of gold is aurum. Now aurum, Au. Now Au is those gold, the name of gold, it starts from first letter is G, its symbol is Au. Why? Because this is derived from the Latin word aurum, and Au stands for aurum, means gold. Similarly, sodium, its Latin name is natrium, and we have here Na as the symbol of element sodium. What we have to keep in mind that the first letter of the chemical symbol is always capital, and the second letter, or sometimes it may be third letter, they are always the small letters. Look, we can look over here. Oxygen O, capital O. Silver Ag. Now silver Ag also, it is derived from the Latin name Ag. Now look, the first letter A is capital and second letter G is small letter. I hope today you have learned some basic elements, their symbol. And let me remind you again, elements, they are the most simplest substances known which cannot be broken down. These elements, they consist of atoms. That means we can say an atom of hydrogen, an atom of helium, and nearly, according to the data of 2019, there are 118 chemical elements known, and 20% of them either they do not exist or they are found only in traces amount. These elements, they combine to form compounds. Now moving on to common elements, here's a list. There are many, and list with their symbols. Now symbols means the abbreviated or short form for the elements. Now in the next class we will continue this chapter, moving on with the chemical compounds. How are chemical compounds formed, the basic process of formation of chemical compounds. And till then, stay safe everyone, have a good time ahead. Bye bye, thank you.